Why do we do what we do? Every habit follows the same pattern: cue, craving, response, reward. Think about your morning coffee routine. The cue might be waking up, the craving is for energy, the response is brewing coffee, and the reward is that first glorious sip. It's a loop. And according to James Clear, it's the engine behind every habit, good or bad. But here's the thing. If we know the loop, we can hack the loop. So let's break it down and learn how to rewrite our habits in just 15 minutes. Step 1. The cue. It's the trigger that starts the loop. Cues can be anything: time of day, environment, even emotions. In this case, the buzz of your phone is the cue. The craving? That's the feeling or desire it creates. Maybe it's stress, boredom, or the need for a quick dopamine hit. Here's the hack. You can't always eliminate the cue, but you can change what it leads to. For example, if you usually reach for a cookie, swap it for fruit. Or if you tend to scroll on your phone out of boredom, take a quick stretch instead. The cue stays the same, but the craving shifts to something healthier. Step 3. The response. This is the action you take to satisfy the craving. By swapping the cookie for fruit, or the phone scrolling for a stretch, you've rewritten the loop. The key is making the response easy and accessible. And step 4, the reward. This is critical because it reinforces the habit. Maybe it's the sweetness of the fruit or the satisfaction of knowing you stuck to your goal. Immediate rewards help your brain associate the new habit with something positive, which makes it stick. Over time, the long-term benefits, like feeling healthier or more focused, will keep you going. Habits aren't changed overnight, but they are rewritten one loop at a time. Cue, craving, response, reward. The magic is in repeating this process until it feels automatic. Pro tip: track your progress. Use a habit tracker to celebrate small wins like a streak of healthy choices. It's a great way to stay motivated and see how far you've come. So, what's one habit loop you can hack today? Start small, be consistent, and remember, you're in control of your habits, not the other way around. Drop your habit hacking ideas in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And if you're as inspired by this book as I am, hit like, subscribe, and the bell so you never miss a 15-minute book breakdown. Let's build better habits together.